Hey there, fellow money managers. If you're an Ally Bank customer and need to order checks, you're in for a treat because it's quick, easy, and all done online. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can get your checks ordered without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Ally Bank account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you're already a customer, head to the Ally website or open the Ally mobile app. Once you're in, look for the Accounts or Services tab. It's usually right on the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Checks Ordering section. This might be under Account Services or directly linked in your checking account overview. Ally makes it straightforward, so you shouldn't have to hunt around too much. Once you're there, you'll see options for different check styles. Ally offers a variety of designs, from basic to more personalized ones, so pick what suits your taste and budget. Now, select the quantity of checks you need. Think about how often you write checks, maybe 100, 200, or more. Don't forget to check for any add-ons like duplicate checks or carbon copies, which can be handy for record keeping. After that, you'll enter any required details, like your address for shipping, but Ally should already have most of this info pulled from your account. Once everything looks good, review your order carefully. Double-check the style, quantity, and total cost. Ally might charge a small fee, so keep an eye on that. If you're all set, hit the confirm button and complete the payment if needed. You'll get a confirmation email right away, which is always a nice touch. And just like that, you're done. Your checks should arrive in about 7 to 10 business days, depending on your location. If you run into any issues, Ally's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. Ordering checks from Ally is a breeze and helps you stay on top of your finances without the old-school bank visits. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. See you next time.